In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable purchase order in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Zoho Books account so you can start creating and managing purchase orders smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where most of your configuration options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open up the settings area. Once the settings page loads, you'll see several sections and options. What you're looking for here is the general section. This is usually where Zoho groups common, account-wide settings that affect the overall behavior of your books. Click on General to open it. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The layout can change slightly over time, but the wording General should still be visible somewhere within your settings. After you open the General section, you'll find different categories related to your organization's preferences. Among these, look for something related to preferences or modules. Inside that area, you should see an option labeled Purchase Order. Sometimes it may be grouped alongside other modules like invoices, estimates, or sales orders, so take a moment to scan through the list until you spot Purchase Order. Once you've found Purchase Order, click on it. This is where you can enable or configure the Purchase Order feature for your account. Typically, there will be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn the module on. Make sure it's enabled. When you do this, Zoho Books will add the purchase order option to your main navigation, allowing you to create, track, and manage purchase orders directly from within your account. Before you leave this page, check if there are any additional preferences you might want to adjust, such as default terms, numbering formats, or other behavior related to purchase orders. These settings help keep your documents consistent and professional, especially if you're collaborating with the team. Finally, remember to save any changes you make on this screen. Once saved, you can return to your dashboard and you should now see Purchase Order as one of the available modules